Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be taking y'all on the road with me, and we're going to see what all I find at the Dollar General clearance event. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's see what I find. Alright guys, really quickly, I wanted to remind everybody that I did upload the February PNG preview and giveaway video earlier this morning. So if you missed that one, definitely go and check it out. I'll leave it linked in the pinned comment down below for y'all. Alright guys, so I am outside of Dollar General. This is my first stop of the morning. I'm hoping that they have the Angel Soft toilet paper in there. So I'm the first one here because we got a little bit of a snowstorm last night. But that is okay. I put on my snow boots this morning. I put the old Blazer in 4-wheel drive, and we are on the road getting the deals. So I'll talk to y'all whenever I get out of here and let y'all know what I found. Alright guys, so here's a look at my back seat so far, and I'm still unloading, but I wanted to stop and let y'all know how it all went. So I just got out of my first store and I did a total of 3 transactions. Now the math didn't come out as I expected it to, so I'm not sure what's going on, if I'm calculating something wrong. I know one thing that messed me up was the instant savings on the Craz-E. So I just wanted to show y'all so far how the clearance event is going, and I apologize, we are right next to the road. So I scored on the Angel Soft toilet paper, guys. I think I have like 9 packs, so that was a win. That's a successful day. I'm done. I can be done right now and be fine. So the other thing, like I said, the Craz-E, the instant savings is not coming off, but if you have that paper coupon, it still makes them free plus gives you overage. Okay, it's just not taking off the full. It would be $7 off with the instant savings and the coupon, but so far it's not taking off the instant savings for me, so I'm just having to stick with that paper coupon for 4 off 2 from the Unilever. Alright, next up, I found some Febreze plugins. I got the free Colgate with overage, and then if you can find this Crest, gives overage. Let me see here. Here's a big score. I found a hole. She was bringing out totes from the back, so gray totes, great for penny items. And I found all kinds of 4th of July napkins, paper plates, pins, all kinds of goodies. I think I ended up with like 40-something penny items just from this store alone. So make sure that you are scanning. Another thing, if you come across something that is full price in your clearance section, so she brought out a tote and it was full of these Fabuloso wipes. All right. So I asked her, I said, are these supposed to be in the clearance section? Because they're still full price. And she was like, yes, because this is overstock. We have so many in the back room. I'm just trying to get rid of them today. So if your store has something like that, make sure you check to see if we have a digital coupon for them, because she took off half of that at the register, and we have that $2.65 off 2 digital coupon. So that made 2 of these completely free. All right, so that's how you get your freebies, guys. Scan. Another thing I found was the Airwick warmers, 2 count. That gave me overage. I did pick up another Airwick product that I honestly don't know where it is. So I'm going to finish unloading my cart, and I'll see you guys in just a second because I have a couple more things that I want to share with y'all. Alright guys, so I pulled a couple more things out. I found these refills. This is a 3-pack refills. It does work with the Airwick and the Glade plugins. There was a whole entire display of these, and I think these were like $1.69 or something like that. It wasn't over $2. So that might be a really good find for you guys. There was also spring scents, so they were green and purple, and then I think there was also apple cinnamon. Alright, so I found the Schick razors with overage. Now these were scanning at whatever it is, 25% off. But she did adjust that down at the register. Just make sure that y'all are paying attention and scanning to see what is scanning at full price, because they can fix that at the register for you guys. Another thing that I found that I hadn't seen before was this Black Magic tire cleaner. I think these were like $1 and change. That was in the regular section. It should have been marked POG, but I'm not sure that there was a tag there. I also found some more Downy Defy beads. That $2 Tide coupon, or the $2 Downy coupon did work on these. No problem whatsoever. Dove, I did the Dove deal. I picked up 4 of these Dove hand soaps. I used 3 paper coupons and 1 digital coupon, plus that 2 off 7. Made that a really good deal. I found the Garnier Fructis Damage Eraser. This is free, giving overage. I got 2 of these Colgate purple toothpaste. If you buy 2 of these, use the 3 off 2 digital coupon. That makes them completely free. Alright, so I'm going to do a little bit more unloading, and I'll see you in just a second. Alright guys, so I did find some new food items. We have the Clover Valley Fruity Rolls. So scan all of the Clover Valley cereal that you have at your stores. There's the UPC for that if you want to check it, but don't trust the app. Also found the Pop-Tarts. These Clover Valley, these were just 45 cents. Quaker deal, these are $1.80, and we have a 2 off 2 digital coupon. Sorry, this filming out in your car is not a good idea. So $1.80 each. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon. That's a really good deal. Also found this huge box of Clover Valley Fruity Bites value size. They still had a ton in there. So this is like a 19.5 ounce box, and they were just $1 and some change. Everything was like $1 and something. This might have even been like 73 cents for this box of Fruity Rolls. And then I also found these energy drinks, which I drink constantly. And these were just 45 cents each, which is cheaper than buying them like at Walmart in like a pack of 6 or 12. They're usually $1 each, no matter what. So I did pick up quite a few of those. And I also found the Cliff Bars as well. So I picked up a few of those. Alright guys, so far that's what I have for you. Of course, whenever I get home and get everything unloaded, I'm going to do a haul video and go over my totals and show you guys everything that I picked up. So I hope y'all are having a great day out there grabbing some deals. Check the community tab, because I will be posting some pictures of some more items that I saw but I didn't purchase, that you guys might be interested in. So food items and things like that. Alright guys, that's all I have for you for now. Alright guys, so I'm going to head on over to my second store for the day. That will probably be it for me. I still want to pick up a couple of Dove products because I need to use up those coupons, right? So I'm going to head on over there and see what they have, because they didn't have a whole lot of Dove items here. But I wanted to share with y'all a few pictures before I go. Here's some food items that I haven't seen at the other stores. There's probably a coupon matchup for these Nature Valley Minis. Probably a digital. Definitely we have insert coupons for that one. They had some little single drinks, Minute Maid drinks, things like that. Next up, they had brought out a tote full of Bell hair accessories, hair bows, combs, brushes, things like that. So if you see any Bell items, you may want to scan those at your store. Also, one last thing, here was some castor oil, motor oil that I haven't seen marked at any of the other stores. Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are out there grabbing up some of these awesome deals. Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all are having an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one.